Creating presentations just got faster.
Collabora lets you speed up your workflow by copying entire slides across presentations. No more copying text boxes and redoing the design. Your entire slide moves with you. Start by clicking on the slide you'd like to copy in the slide panel on the left. Press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. Then open the presentation where you'd like to insert it. Click on the slide above the position where you want the copied slide to appear. Press Ctrl and V to paste the slide into place. The slide is added with its original design, layout and content, so you can keep working without adjustments. This is a simple way to save time, keep your design consistent, and quickly bring together content from different decks. Try it in your next presentation. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our channel.